Hi there, welcome to the Tent News, where the truth comes to light and the stories everyone is talking about are brought straight to you. From shocking confessions and viral social media moments to real life mysteries and trending drama, this is the place where we uncover it all. Now, please watch this video first, and I will be back with the rest of my commentary.
Guys, lo myalezo ngiyacela niwudlulise bandla ufike yonke indawo ngoba umyalezo ubalulekile. Mhla 30 June guys akulona usuku lokuthi siluthe. Mhla 30 June akulona futhi usuku lokuthi sihambe sifuna abantu sibakhiphe endlini. Abantu bokufika sithi abaphume sibashaye sibalimaze. Ngiyacela bandla nikususe lokho emqondweni wenu mangabe beniplane lokho ngiyacela. Ngoba masingenza lokho sizosheshe siqede le party kanti kusaeli yabo kusaeli and inhloso yethu akukona ukuthi kugcine sekukhona abantu abalimele noma basebeshayiwe noma kanjani. Inhloso yethu ukuthi bahambe nje bagoduke baye emakubo. Iyona nje inhloso yethu futhi ukuluthayo kuwesi ke ngoba makuluthwa ezitolo lezi eziqasha abantu lezi ezangempela kulimala wonke umuntu yabo. So ngiyanicela bandla leyo kulutha ningayicabangi guys naleyo kushaya abantu ngoba nizoyijika yonke lento bese kube yibona engazi ukuthi ba ama victim kanti siyazi thina ukuthi labantu basihlukumeza kanjani ezweni lethu uyibona ivakashi kodwa thina sihlukumezekayo. So naqala nje nakwenza lokho umhlaba wonke uyobusa ubone ngazi ukuthi vele thina sisukela abantu aba innocent kanti akunjalo. Siyazi thina inkinga esibhekana nazo ngenxa yalabantu. So ngikhumbula nje ngo2021 khathi kukhona lokulutha lokho akwenzeka abangaziyo ke bazosho even nangaleso sikhathi ukuthi mina umuntu oqala nqa owasebenzisa wona futhi social media ngahamba ngathi mina kubantu asamso clean endaweni zethu emalokishini saqala kaMashu ngabona nezinye indawo ke iqala zithi ziyacleana nazo endaweni zabo. Kwakudabukisa mfethu ungena kuleza idolo Shoprite obani ospa ubone nje umonakalo siwenzakalile till today ezinye idolo akazi zize recover from lokho and abantu abahlupheka ithina azange kuze kuhlupheke labantu labo besasibaluthela kwahlupheka thina yabo singasakwazi ukuthenga amagrosa abanye abasanazo ngisho indawo zokukhipha imali sefanele baye kude. So leyo nje asingayenzi ngoba ilimaza thina futhi ayinabo ukuhlakani phakathi ayihlakaniphile futhi leyo. So ngiyacela nje nidlulise lo myalezo kulabo abacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ngomhla 30 lento imayilana nomntshontsha. Cha sitshontshe umntshontsha nje guys, cha sihambisani nako yabo. Lempi yona sizoyilwa futhi sizoyilwa kahle nje singajahile nabahambayo njengoba behamba nje manje kusamanje kuzoba wesi. Kodwa thina njengoba sisho ukuthi mekushaya umhla 30 bengahambile sizoqhubeka sidile nohulumeni wethu ngoba enye into enginga-understand nini ukuthi uhulumeni awukwazi phela na ucompromise umnotho ukuthi ugcine usilimala ngenxa yabantu abahlale beteleka zonke izinsuku. So hayi ukuthi lama march ngoba abanye beni bethi hayi peaceful march ayinamsebenzi. Peaceful march inomsebenzi omkhulu kabi. Peaceful march inomsebenzi omkhulu kabi ukuthi nje abanye phela bafuna ukubona yena engathi ngavele sivuke ekseni bonke abantu bokufika sebehambile. Ngeke izenzeke leyo nto ngisho sesithanda ngeke izenze futhi niyababona ke labo ukuthi ba ready bathe bangasibulala ngisho usibulala besibulalela ukuthi bangagoduka baye emakubo. So akubo yibona benza lawo maphutha kungabe yithina esenza lawo maphutha ngoba lelizwe lethu malilimala kulimala thina bona emakubo le yaqhubeka kukhona yonke lento abayibalekelayo. So nje ngicela ukunidlulisela kakhulu umyalezo okucela bafethu siyacela bandla mhla 30 thina silwa nohulumeni aqaqe lokho ukuthi silwa nobani silwa nohulumeni. And ngiyabona ukuthi khona abanye basizakela sebelindile niyabazi ke nani njengabantu beEFF nje balinde ngezibovu ukuthi babe khona into abazobajabulisa ekuthiwa iwrong yenziwa abantu. Ningabaniki lokho ngoba asinandaba vele sebetshengisile ukuthi abekho esayidini labantu bala eSouth Africa. Nabanye ke nabo abantu bokufika abahleli balindile bakhipha ingovolo balinde ukubona ukuthi yini errong esoyenza ukuze bezogijima bebe ama victim ethi nabazi bayathanda nokuvela ko TV bekhala beqamba amanga. Vele futhi ngomhla 30 bazocreate ngisho istory abanye bethi beshawe bengashawanga benze wonke ama performance la. So kuzomela sibe clever nathi sihlakaniphe ningabaniki nje into bazosizakala ngayo. Ngiyacela abantu bakithi ukulutha nje no sisazokhipha ney'ncwadi nje sicela abantu bethu basemphakathini ehlukahlukene ukuthi bayikhiphe. Lutha, ukushaya abantu, ukubabulala, asikwenzi lokho. But yena uhulumeni kumele azi ukuthi sesikhathele and kumele asheshise abathathe labantu ngoba nabo bayadelela benjalo nje bayeyisa. It's not like bahleli la ba-innocent, bayeyisa benjalo bayalokhu bestrikisha bethi abayindawo. Uzobabona nje ukuthi bakhuluma kangakanani. Kodwa kuyasiqhubeke thina silwe nohulumeni ngoba at the end of the day uhulumeni ana-choice. Mase sithe asabafuni sikhathela sisabafuni, akukho futhi enye into abangayenza ukuthi basihlalise nabantu esingabafuni ngenkani. Kodwa kumyalezo obalulekile lowo. 30 June.
Protected by law too much. All they have to do is to do it according to the law. They have to give the numbers they're expecting, their marshals, their routes, and that should be peaceful. So my assumption is that it's going to be peaceful, that they're going to be very responsible and not call on the air of the police, not the defense. I mean, really. Defense is the last number. Says we tell them how much has defense. I don't think. Already at this stage, I don't think it will be correct unless the marchers mhlambe bazange ikhali bayalwa because amasoja ayalwa.
So there's been no call.
The 30th it's a march. So it's not a declaration of war. So I expect the march to be a march and the organizers to be responsible for what they would have started. And it's as simple as all that.
You know, my predictions is before the 30th of June, someone between the three musketeers is going to disappear. Before the 30th of June, there's someone between Ngizwe, Jacinta, and Phakela who is going to disappear. And it will not be Ngizwe. It will not be Phakela because those two are men. And more especially Phakela. Phakela is not going to disappear. That one rather faces the music than to run away. I'm not sure about Ngizwe. Really not sure. But Jacinta, I know she's going to run away. Because you know what the ANC is doing right now? They are whipping these people. They are whipping these people. Keyword, I hope the organizers will be responsible for everything that they've started. That's the keyword. The ANC is not going to give out the army. It's not going to deploy the army on its citizens. No, it wants the citizens to be happy. They want everyone to be happy. That is why they are letting them march. And what are they saying on the video? We hope it will be a peaceful march. They know damn well it's not going to be a peaceful march. They know damn well for damn sure that it's not going to be a peaceful march. So, you know, the mistake that they made, these people, which are saying Thabo Phakela, is that they wanted to overthrow the government. You know, if you had went to the government and tried to collaborate with them, sit down with them, and speak nicely, these things would have not happened right now. Now you're going to be arrested, and someone, if they are not strong, they might even commit suicide because they cannot watch all these things happening right now. You even saw when Jacinta was addressing yesterday, her voice, her spirit is broken. They are breaking her right now, and they are doing it in a way that, yo, bruh, these people are in trouble right now. These people are in very, very huge trouble. They should just come out and apologize and say, you know what, guys, we are sorry. We should have taken another route to address our issues. Because the way they did it, now the ANC is just trying to show them. And a lot of people are saying Cyril Ramaphosa is not speaking. He's speaking through his people, through his ministers. That's how he's speaking. This is how he is speaking. This is how he speaks. Chess master.
Jacinta is back after the chaos that has been happening on social media after she appeared on the national television. She's back sending an urgent message to South Africans. And basically, she's just telling South Africans to say no to looting, no to harming people, no to violence, which for me, I feel like it's way too late. It is way too late, guys. At this point, she have actually opened doors for criminals, like for people that are there for no good intentions. Yes. Because at this point, even if she can say no, there are people out there that are planning to go and loot at these shops. This is something that she cannot control anymore. This is something that is out of her control at this point as we speak. But anyway, guys, she was basically sending message to South Africans to say, guys, Please, let's stop looting. Do not harm these people. Do not beat them. Do not go inside their house. Do not do this and this, because, hey, we saw Angie, guys. She was actually talking about this. And I can tell you, these leaders, they know that this is not going to end well for them. It is not going to end well for them. You will tell me it is not going to end well for them, because we have seen these march and march. People are being beaten. People are being, like, hey, a lot goes down there. We have seen this march and march recently. They are looting in these shops. The very same shops that they're complaining that these people are poisoning them. They're selling expired food. Then why are you looting the expired food? I feel like this is just hunger. And this March and March, I can tell you that Jacinta has started this March and March with good intentions. But unfortunately, because people are hungry, people don't want to go to work, people, they will want to actually take that as an opportunity to go and loot, which it gives a very bad image to South Africa, like a very bad one. But anyway, please comment your thoughts down below in the comment section. What do you think about this one?